It seems that the multi-snap feature has mysteriously disappeared from Snapchat, causing confusion among users. Just yesterday, I noticed it was available, but today, it's nowhere to be found. This issue isn't isolated to me. Some of my viewers also reported its absence on their Snapchat. Initially, I was perplexed, wondering if it was a widespread problem or just a glitch on my end. Attempting to troubleshoot, I decided to log out of my Snapchat account and then log back in. To my relief, upon re-entering the app, the multi-snap feature magically reappeared. It's as if logging out and back in acted as a reset, restoring the missing feature. This suggests that the issue might be related to some form of caching or temporary glitch rather than a permanent removal of the feature. However, the situation remains uncertain. Could this disappearance be a result of a technical bug, or is Snapchat intentionally phasing out multi-snap without prior notice? It's not uncommon for Snapchat to make sudden changes to its features without notifying users, leaving us to speculate on the reasons behind such decisions. For now, the workaround of logging out and logging back in seems to temporarily resolve the issue for those experiencing the missing multi-snap feature. It's worth keeping an eye on any future updates from Snapchat to see if they address this issue or provide any clarification on the matter. Until then, users may need to rely on such temporary fixes to regain access to multi-snap.